When homeowners think about improving their property, they often focus on projects such as kitchen remodels, new flooring, or landscaping. While these upgrades can certainly add value, one of the most impactful improvements is often overlooked: the entry door. As the focal point of a home's exterior, the entry door plays a vital role in security, energy efficiency, curb appeal, and overall property value. For homeowners in West Jordan, upgrading an outdated entry door can provide both immediate and long-term benefits. Whether you're looking to improve your home's appearance, reduce energy costs, or increase resale value, investing in a modern entry door is a decision that can pay off in multiple ways. Enhancing curb appeal: your entry door is one of the first features visitors and potential buyers notice when approaching your home. An old, worn, or outdated door can negatively impact the appearance of an otherwise well-maintained property. Modern entry doors are available in a wide variety of styles, colors, finishes, and decorative glass options. Whether your home features a traditional, contemporary, or craftsman-inspired design, there are entry door options that can complement its architecture and create a welcoming first impression. A visually appealing front entrance can significantly enhance curb appeal and help your home stand out in the neighborhood. Improving energy efficiency: older entry doors often allow drafts and air leakage that can affect indoor comfort and increase energy consumption. Over time, worn seals, gaps, and outdated materials can reduce a door's insulating capabilities. Today's entry doors are engineered with energy efficiency in mind. Many feature insulated cores, advanced weather stripping, and durable materials designed to minimize heat transfer. These features help maintain more consistent indoor temperatures throughout the year. For West Jordan homeowners, improved energy efficiency can contribute to reduced heating and cooling costs while creating a more comfortable living environment. Increasing home security: the front door serves as one of the primary entry points to any home, making security a major consideration. Older doors may be weakened by age, weather exposure, or outdated locking systems. Modern entry doors are often built with stronger materials such as fiberglass or steel and can be paired with advanced locking mechanisms for enhanced protection. Reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant construction provide homeowners with greater peace of mind. Investing in a high-quality entry door can strengthen your home's security while helping protect your family and belongings. Boosting property value: homebuyers frequently pay close attention to the condition and appearance of exterior features. A beautiful, energy-efficient entry door can make a strong impression and signal that the home has been well maintained. Because entry doors offer a combination of aesthetic appeal, energy savings, and security benefits, they are often viewed as a valuable home improvement. Many homeowners find that upgrading their entry door contributes positively to overall property value and marketability. Even if you are not planning to sell immediately, a new entry door can be an investment that enhances your home's long-term appeal. Reducing maintenance requirements: many older wooden doors require regular sanding, painting, staining, or repairs to maintain their appearance and performance. Exposure to sunlight, moisture, and seasonal weather changes can accelerate wear and tear. Modern entry doors are available in low-maintenance materials that resist warping, cracking, rotting, and fading. Fiberglass and steel doors, in particular, offer excellent durability while requiring minimal upkeep. This allows homeowners to spend less time on maintenance and more time enjoying the benefits of their investment. Enhancing everyday comfort: an entry door affects more than just appearance and security, it also contributes to daily comfort. Drafts near the front entrance can create uncomfortable temperature fluctuations throughout the home. Modern doors provide better insulation and tighter seals, helping eliminate many of these issues. Homeowners often notice improved comfort levels near entryways and throughout adjacent living spaces after replacing an older door. The result is a more enjoyable indoor environment regardless of the season. Access to custom design options: today's entry doors offer extensive customization opportunities. Homeowners can select from a variety of materials, panel designs, decorative glass inserts, hardware finishes, and color options to create a personalized look. These custom features allow homeowners to enhance the character of their property while ensuring the door aligns with their functional needs and design preferences. A customized entry door can become a standout architectural feature that elevates the home's overall appearance. Long-term durability and performance. A quality entry door is built to withstand years of daily use and exposure to changing weather conditions. Modern manufacturing techniques and premium materials help ensure long-lasting performance with fewer maintenance concerns. When professionally installed, a new entry door can continue delivering energy efficiency, security, and aesthetic benefits for many years. A valuable upgrade for West Jordan homeowners. Upgrading your entry door is one of the smartest investments you can make for your home. From enhancing curb appeal and improving energy efficiency to increasing security and property value, the benefits extend far beyond appearance alone. For homeowners in West Jordan, a modern entry door offers a practical way to improve comfort, functionality, and long-term value. With numerous styles and materials available, it's easy to find a solution that enhances both the beauty and performance of your home for years to come.